Hello and welcome to Zimstate Media. His Excellency the President and Chancellor of all state universities, Dr. Emmerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa, today presided over the University of Zimbabwe's 45th graduation ceremony held at the institution's main campus in Harare. A total of 7,132 graduates were kept at the ceremony. The cohort comprised 53% females and 47% males. Of the graduates, 5,677 received undergraduate degrees, 1,424 graduated with postgraduate qualifications, while 25 were awarded Doctor of Philosophy degrees and 6 Master of Philosophy degrees. Among those who graduated was Mr. George Charamba, Deputy Chief Secretary in the Office of the President and Cabinet. Mr. Charamba graduated with distinction after completing a Master of Arts in African Economic History and Knowledge Systems. In his address, President Mnangagwa congratulated the graduates and asked them to use their qualifications to contribute towards Vision 2030 and the country's development agenda. He challenged universities to align their programs with industry and national needs and to produce graduates who are innovative, enterprising, and solutions-driven. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.